G'day, I'm Tommy and welcome to Raw Blend. We are a family-owned and operated business with over 25 years experience. We are passionate about helping you improve your vitality and wellness by offering the highest quality brands and simple, delicious recipes. Here at Raw Blend, you're going to find everything relating to blending, dehydrating, sprouting, juicing, hydration, and raw foods. We love creating healthy recipes that you can easily incorporate into your daily routines, bringing out the healthiest version of you. For all the latest recipe inspiration and promotions, make sure you subscribe to our newsletter down below. If you have any questions, please contact our friendly customer support. We hope to hear from you soon. Happy blending.